Drone here. What's going on, guys? If you follow my channel, you've seen this in a store that I actually walked through Ollie's. It was $39.99. The Sharper Image Mountain Thrasher. I do have a GoPro on the front of it. I would like to test the speed. I think it's rated for like 13 or 14 mile per hour, so we'll see how that goes. It is all non-proportional though. Like, you're all the way steering. There's no in between. It's just all or nothing. Try to hold that there, that way you can see. Same thing with the throttle, it's all or nothing. But I got plans to turn one of these super toys into a hobby grade style RC. Switching receiver and everything, so you'll have to stay tuned to the channel for that. I'm still waiting on my Amazon order, otherwise we'd be getting into that now. But without any further ado, let's stop jabber drum. This thing should be big enough that I shouldn't have to really sit the camera down, although I probably will once or twice. And hopefully we're locked on the satellites here. We're going to go ahead and start recording if I can hit the button. We are recording, so we're just going to go up. I don't see that as the advertised speed. I think it's a little bit shy. It is rocking a fairly large battery. It's a 9-point-something volt. When it's charged out, it comes to 11 volts. We can try to take it down this road if there ain't no traffic, because this road's the smoothest road and there ain't no traffic. So and here comes traffic. It can spin out, so it has a little bit of power, but it really just doesn't seem like it has the power they're saying it has. So what we're going to do, we are going to stop the GoPro, then we'll start it again. We'll do a couple more runs up and down just to make sure that the GoPro had gathered satellites. Alright, so we should be stopped, and we'll just go up here. Again, we can turn around like that. I don't know. I think in reverse it'd probably definitely be faster. I don't know if I could drive it in reverse though. Oh, it's clearly faster in reverse. It's way faster in reverse. Maybe we should I don't know. Somehow figure out how to steer it going backwards. So let's go ahead, and maybe that's exactly what I'll do. I don't know if I can, let's see. If I go like this, that'd be backwards. Then steering's just going to be, let's see. Steering's going to be odd. Steering's going to be really odd. I'm going to try to do it backwards. I mean, as long as nothing's coming, that shouldn't be an issue. That way we can get the exact mile per hour this is doing. Again, I don't see it as advertised. And should be recording, I think. It is recording. You know what, we'll just go ahead and kind of wait for this car. Nope. 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 Does not steer well in reverse. somebody's coming. So we'll go ahead and stop the GoPro. I mean, we should have a pretty good gauge on how fast it's going, or how fast it's not going. And then we're just going to take the GoPro off of it. Take the strap and everything off. That brush guard on this is fairly protruding. And that's the only thing I could think good to do is put a camera there. Maybe a little AIO. But again, I have plans for this one or the other one. I bought two of them. The other one has a gun trigger, but again, it's just all or nothing with the steering here. We're going to just put the GoPro in my pocket, and then we'll see if we can climb up some of this stuff here. No problem getting up that. Maybe see if we can go over some of these rocks. You have to excuse the sound. Oh, it's trying. I don't think so though. It's trying. Now we're high centered. We'll go ahead and get away from the sound here. Should have had the GoPro on it for that one. I know there's a car coming behind me. But I think, look at this kid playing in the road. Little does he know, full-grown adult. It's able to go over this grass, but it's really not powering over the grass. And again, we get high centered pretty quickly. So I don't know. It is what it is. I mean, it's not amazing. It's definitely, I mean, we can't even go up that incline. Or it's trying. It might be able to. No, we can't even go up that incline. But again, I got plans for this or the other one. I think the other one might be a little bit better. These tires just might be a little bit ridiculous for this. Because if you guys can remember the Walmart Dom's Charger, that thing moved a lot quicker than this. Damn. See, we're able to twist out. I think it might be a combination of the tires too. I don't know. Because again, the voltage this is running, I thought for sure it would definitely hit advertised mile per hour. But I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, it's going over these ruts pretty good. Trying to back out, it won't back out. That's that brush guard. If that brush guard wasn't there, it would have zero issues. But that brush guard is just getting hung up. Yeah, we'll come over it again. That brush guard is just getting in the way. Bam. Not thrilled with it, but I've definitely had worse. I had higher expectations for it though. I had much higher expectations for this. I mean, this is about the coolest thing it can do right now. Bam! We can turn around fairly quickly. But I got ideas, guys, so stay with the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Questions, comments, concerns, get at me down below. Same truck, guys. I got a 3S on it. It's not a fully charged 3S. Actually, all cells are around 7.4, so it's kind of at that mid stage. We could drain it to about 7, maybe 3, 6, 9, about 3 volts per cell. To be safe, but let's see what happens. We might kill this. I'm not gonna lie, we might kill it. We do have the GoPro back on it, which I'm going to turn on to see if maybe this doesn't kill it. Maybe this is what it should be running. Again, this is not a fully charged LiPo. This is actually like bare bones. I haven't tried this at all. I've just plugged it in. Hopefully my connections are good. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It's on. Turn this on. Okay, so, and I could see underneath it, I guess the receiver is responding and is not burning out immediately. But we got a lot more speed, and this is just, again, this is off a 3-cell that's barely charged. My goodness. So all out top speed might not have gained too much, maybe a little bit, but we'll test that. We have the GoPro on it. Again, this battery is not fully charged. I'd venture to think that a fully charged one might be all right. I don't know. I'm just messing around here. So we should be recording. We are recording, and we're just going to go this way. Like if there was no traffic, so I could just whiz down this road. Look at that, no traffic. Seems like it's doing all right. Again, this is like storage level 3S LiPo. We're gonna go ahead and stop that. Let me see here. So we really don't have an adjustment for the front. It's just one way or over, because it seems to be varying one way. I mean, this stuff's really loose. That's probably why. But let's go ahead and start this one more time just to make sure we get a speed run on this, because I can't see my bottom to see if I've locked onto satellites with this. Come on. Gotta hit that button. There we go. Now we're recording.
Now we're recording.
And it will go down.
Go down.
Again, this road is going to be the best for the speed run, just because it's extremely smooth. But it seems to want to veer with the road. It's slanted to the right. Just about done there, so maybe get 50 meters, maybe 60 meters of range. I'm backing up here. I mean, at this juncture, I hope we're hitting the advertised speed with the LiPo on it. Now it's spinning out. Yeah, so it's definitely gained a considerable amount of acceleration, but I don't know if we've gained an overall speed. I mean, that acceleration might help off-road like I'm showing you. where before it really had a hard time. There's no problem going through the grass now. Before it really slowed it up. Alright, that's enough testing. If you guys haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button later.